Okay, so if you're still struggling with drawing number page 63, drawing number 3 of the isometric, let me quickly help you. So the starting point would be a box. So we're going to draw a box like that. There's your box. And your box goes this way, goes that way, and you cut off the box there, and we bring that across. So there's your box. You know that your box is 87 along this side. The box is 80 along this side, and you know your box is 89 in height. Then you were asked to draw a auxiliary view here. So that is 30 here, 60 degrees, 60-degree angle, 30, 30. So you bring that in at 30 again. So there is your auxiliary view there. And then you box that for me again, like that. Okay, so this dimension here is going to be 15. That is going to be 25 here, and that's going to be 25 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then you are going to have this platform of 12 here, and it goes right down this way, 12, and it goes up on this side. So you just need to calculate what the distances would be here. Some mathematics would be involved there, and then that would be where you are going to get your platform and your backing. So I'm going to remove that just to assist you a little bit more. So here we have that. I'm going to take that away for the moment. Okay, and now on that we're going to put this in here. So that's 15 here, 13, 15, that all together gives you 60. This whole thing is 80, so 10 and 10. So you're going to create that box here. It goes up by 50 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to put that in there. And then you import it, 15 here, 15 there, 15 there, and these markers here, that in there. You need to check this for me. I'm not too sure whether that is going to be 25 because I'm just sketching it roughly for you. Then I'm going to take this across here till there, take that across there. This has the same angle. This distance from here to here is 70, 75. So if you measure 75, you're going to have that. Sorry, it's a slightly more slanted. It is parallel to that there. So you're going to have that. Then this is going to be 75 as well. That comes across. That's your normal 30 degrees like that there. Okay, on top here there's a box here of 36 to the back and 15. So your 15 up like that. There's your 15 and 36 back. So you're going to draw that box like that there. Okay, there's your box. I'm going to take that away slightly so that you can see clearly what your box is all about. Then in the middle here there is a web which is halfway here, and then it's 8 millimeters, 4 and 4, and it links up with this here, so halfway there, 4 and 4, and then you directly link those two. It slightly slants from here, and it slants till there. And then automatically there's a corner that's going to form that runs right here, which is going to meet up, which we can't see there. Okay, and then you have a side part here, which you need to fit in here. You need to get the dimensions of 24. You know, so it goes up. It goes up 12 and 12. So you go up 12 here and 12 down, and you take it slightly in until here. Sorry, not like that, like that. And then you bring it across here so that you can see where it's going to be fitted in, which is 18 and 30. So that is going to be fitting in there, which is 18 and 30. Here you're going to have this halfway and that halfway, and you're going to create this box which you can get from the dimension you see here of 24 square. So that is basically what you need to draw at first. Okay, there's obviously going to be a corner here that goes in because that is a hole that goes inside there. And then inside this box here, you're going to have the center, which is halfway of your 36. So 36 there, and then halfway this, which is halfway of the 30, and you have that. Your circle is 24, so you're going to have 12 here, 12 there, 12 that side, 12 that side. So you're going to draw your box. You have two acute angles, which is going to connect, and a V part for your obtuse ones. So the obtuse ones would be there for that, this one for that angle there, so you're going to put that in there because you need it, and you're going to use this one here for that there. You don't need this because you're going to cut it. Okay, so now you've got that. You're going to cut this in half here. Remember, this also slants here down, right? It goes down by the same amount that it goes that way. So you're going to put that in there. And then you're going to go halfway here because you're cutting it perfectly in half. And then you're going to come across. It's going to go right around. That's A. It's going to come down here. So when you cut it there, and of course here you're going to cut through A, and you're going to go this side. So this part is basically removed, so that part comes out. And then you run it like that. It goes across here, comes out here at 30 degrees and goes right across here at 30 degrees. So now you can actually ensure that this here is going to link up like that there, and you're going to find that part linking up there with that over there. Okay, so there we meet, point meet over there. Okay, and then you're going to find that this corner is going to be running in line with that there. It's going to meet up there with that corner over there. Okay, so that is going to be completely open. That's going to meet up with that corner over there. This is going to come down, this is going to come down like this. Okay, in the same line, and it's going to go in, and it's going to hook up with a corner that you are going to see here coming down. So there's a corner that's going to be coming down here, and that is going to go inside there, which I will get to now. So this is going to be your web, right? It's going to run like that there, and it's going to go up until this corner that you see there. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to see this corner coming down here, and that corner is going to be running in the same line with that there, and then it's going to come down like that. So you just need to find the inside there. This is going to come down, and it's going to meet up with that there, and this is going to be coming in, and it's going to hook up with that there. So that is also going to be sectioned. Then there's a corner that's going to formulate here from the front. It's going to link up with that corner over there. Okay, which you need to find, and then this goes underneath. Yeah. Okay. And then the rest of it you just have to fill in, coming down like that, up, that way, linking up here, and that coming down, which you can't see there eventually. And then this comes down, that goes that way, this comes that way up, that comes down. These are all just features that you need to darken. Okay, your hatching sections is going to be that there. That's going to be hatched as well till there. That's not hatched, this is hatched. That's going to be hatched, and that's going to be hatched inside that space over there. Okay. Here you just need to figure out the corners here are going to make to line up with one another for you to be able to figure out this area over here. This corner here, this is also going to be darkened till there and up. These corners are going to line up. You will see, you will find them. And that corner here is another corner that forms here. Sorry, that is the corner already that forms there, that corner there. So this is going to be hatched here. So my lines are slightly out, but that's basically the idea of how you are going to cut that drawing. Okay, I hope it helps.